Hello, lovely people. I'm Jenna.
And I'm Jake. This is Easy English Conversation for listening and speaking practice.
In this podcast, you can practice listening and speaking, both in one video. Listen to us first, then speak with Rachel.
Today, we're talking about 3 really useful words: could, would, and should.
Yes, these 3 words confuse a lot of learners, so let's use them naturally in a real conversation.
Good idea. Jenna, let's start with could. Can you use it in a sentence?
Sure, I could go to the party tonight, but I'm actually really tired.
Right, so that's about possibility. It's something that's possible but not certain.
Exactly. It's not, I will go. It's more like, maybe I'll go. It's possible.
That makes sense. I use could a lot when I'm asking for something politely, too. Like, could you help me with this bag? It's really heavy.
Oh, yes, that's such a common one. Could you is much softer than can you.
Right, it sounds more polite, more gentle.
Exactly. Okay, what about would? Can you give an example?
Sure. Let me think. I would love a coffee right now, if I'm honest.
Oh, that's a good one. So that's talking about a wish or something you want in an imaginary way.
Right, and would is also really common for polite offers or requests, like, would you like some tea?
Yes, that's such a natural phrase. Would you like is one of the most common questions in English.
True, and we also use would for imagining situations, like, if I had more time, I would travel more.
Oh, that's a great example. So would connects to an imagined situation, something not real right now.
Exactly. Okay, your turn, Jenna. What about should?
Okay, should is a bit different. It's more about advice or what's the right thing to do.
Can you give an example?
Sure, you should drink more water. It's really good for you.
Right, that sounds like advice, like you're recommending something.
Exactly. And we also use should to talk about expectation, like the bus should arrive in 5 minutes.
Oh, that's interesting. So that's saying this is probably going to happen based on what we expect.
Yes, exactly. It's not 100% certain, but it's expected.
Okay, so let me try to summarize this. Could is about possibility or polite requests.
Right.
Would is about wishes, imagined situations, or polite offers.
Exactly.
And should is about advice or things we expect.
Perfect. That's exactly right.
Honestly, saying it like that with real examples makes it so much clearer than just reading the grammar rule.
I agree completely. That's why we always try to use real conversation, not just definitions.
Right. Okay, one more round. Jenna, give me a sentence with all 3, could, would, and should, if you can.
Okay, let me think. I could go for a run this evening. I would love to feel more energetic, so I probably should start going more often.
That was really good, honestly. Possibility, wish, and advice all in one sentence.
Thank you. It's actually really useful once you start noticing the difference.
I completely agree. All right, tell us in the comments, can you make a sentence using could, would, or should?
We'd really love to read them.
Okay, now let's move into speaking practice with Rachel.
Hi everyone, welcome to Speaking Practice with Rachel. Today we're picking up 3 really useful words from the conversation: could, would, and should. Here's how this works. For each one, first say it out loud together with me slowly. Then repeat after me 3 times with normal speed. Ready? Let's start. Let's start with could. First, could for possibility. Could go to the party. We use could when something is possible but not certain. It's softer than will. For example, I could go to the party tonight, but I'm actually really tired. Try saying it with me, slowly first. I could go to the party tonight. Repeat after me. I could go to the party tonight. Again, I could go to the party tonight. One more time. I could go to the party tonight. Next, could for a polite request. Could you help me? We use could you instead of can you when we want to sound more polite. For example, could you help me with this bag? It's really heavy. Try saying it with me, slowly first. Could you help me with this bag? Repeat after me. Could you help me with this bag? Again, could you help me with this bag? One more time. Could you help me with this bag? Now let's move to would. First, would for a wish. Would love a coffee. We use would love or would like to talk about something we want in a soft, natural way. For example, I would love a coffee right now, if I'm honest. Try saying it with me, slowly first. I would love a coffee right now. Repeat after me. I would love a coffee right now. Again, I would love a coffee right now. One more time. I would love a coffee right now. Next, would for a polite offer. Would you like some tea? We use would you like to offer something politely. It's one of the most common questions in English. For example, would you like some tea? Try saying it with me, slowly first. Would you like some tea? Repeat after me. Would you like some tea? Again, would you like some tea? One more time. Would you like some tea? Next, would for an imagined situation. If I had more time, we use would with if to imagine something that isn't real right now. For example, if I had more time, I would travel more. Try saying it with me, slowly first. If I had more time, I would travel more. Repeat after me. If I had more time, I would travel more. Again, if I had more time, I would travel more. One more time. If I had more time, I would travel more. Now let's move to should. First, should for advice. You should drink more water. We use should when we're giving advice or recommending something. For example, you should drink more water, it's really good for you. Try saying it with me, slowly first. You should drink more water. Repeat after me. You should drink more water. Again, you should drink more water. One more time. You should drink more water. And finally, should for expectation. The bus should arrive soon. We use should when we expect something to happen, but it's not 100% certain. For example, the bus should arrive in 5 minutes. Try saying it with me, slowly first. The bus should arrive in 5 minutes. Repeat after me. The bus should arrive in 5 minutes. Again, the bus should arrive in 5 minutes. One more time. The bus should arrive in 5 minutes. Okay, that's could, would, and should in real, natural sentences. Now here's your challenge. In the comments, write one sentence using all three, could, would, and should, just like Jenna did in the conversation. For example, I could go for a run this evening. I would love to feel more energetic, so I probably should start going more often. We'll be reading your comments, so don't be shy. Thanks for practicing with me. We'll see you in the next episode. Bye!